Welcome back to our 28-day challenge, Tai Chi and Qigong for seniors and beginners. The move of the day is pushing mountains. Pushing mountains is an excellent exercise for building energy and resilience. It starts off with the lifting sun and moon that we did yesterday, breathing in and breathing out. Whenever we lift sun and moon to chest level, we rotate the palms and push out. Arms are not locked. Lift the fingertips up, pull the palms back alongside the chest, opening up the chest. Drop the palms and push out again. Slightly circular, so it's not straight out and straight back. It's dropping, pushing, rising in a circle. And we inhale with the arms back, and we exhale with the arms pushing out front. Pushing mountains. And then we stop in a standing meditation with the hands out in front, shoulders down and relaxed. The arms are not locked. Fingers to the sky. And we relax and hold and build our resilience. And then we turn the palms to the sky and do the same. We're holding here like we're holding a plate out. Then we pull back into holding sun and moon, chest open. Breathing naturally. Then the hands float down and we hold here by the sides. So not fully relaxed. Some space in between the armpits. Palms slightly toward the back. Let's practice pushing mountains within our Qigong framework. We start off with the 3 shifts. Shift your mind, body, and breath. The order can differ. Let's start with a Qigong state of mind. Relaxed, focused, present, calm, tranquil. Shift our breathing. Long, slow, deep breaths. Shift our body. Ergonomic position. Feet are a comfortable distance apart, about hip width. Knees softly bent. You can sink a little bit or a lot, but sink the tailbone a little bit. You feel grounded. You feel like all your weight across all the surface of your feet. Float the head. Grow taller. Now relax from head to toe. You can do this with an exercise. Inhale up, exhale down, and relax the part of the body where the hands are. Now the back part of the body. Straight down the middle, internally. And smile from the heart. You may notice that my eyes are closed. I'm doing that to relax more and to go deeper. If you feel safe doing so, please do. Start lifting. Sun and moon. Palms go up, palms go down. Lifting up the side of the body, sinking down the side of the body. Shoulders relax. Inhale up, exhale down. Hands go up the sides of the body and hold sun and moon at chest level. Palms rotate to the front and push out. Exhale. Lift up with the fingertips. Pull back. Inhale. Drop the palms, push out. Now it never stops. Pushing out, exhale, and in, and out. Inhale back, exhale out. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Relax, calm, tranquil. Keep on going, never stopping, until we feel just right. And then we leave the hands out at the end. Relax, relax, relax. Now turn the palms to the sky. Pull the palms back beside the chest, holding sun and moon at chest level. Open up the chest and breathe and relax. Palms down, alongside the body, space in between your armpits. If you just turn your palms slightly to the back, it creates that space. Relax. Think gently of a space below your belly button, a few inches down, and a few inches toward the inside. Feel that as your center of gravity, your center of focus. And then relax and let everything settle there. Now leave your eyes closed. Let's come back slowly. Rub your hands together. Warm up your palms. Place your warm palms over your eyes. And Enjoy the darkness. Enjoy the stillness. Slowly blink open your eyes, a little bit more light each time. Likewise, lift your palms, a little bit more light each time, a little bit more of the view. Notice shapes, colors. Take notice of where you are in time and space. What is around you? Dry wash your face. And rub your ears in between your fingers and your thumbs. Increase your circulation, sending signals through the nerve endings to the rest of the nervous system, to our brain. Lots of nerves, lots of acupoints. With the back of your thumb behind the middle of your ear. Clamp down and pull down on your lobes. Breathe in, exhale, sigh of relief. Thank you for joining me today. I'll see you tomorrow.